So if you do have to do MPhil, you'll have to do research methodology as a course for 1 year. What do you see? So please draw a diagram in your book.
More questions?
Recently adopted new findings.
With others and work together to find particular conclusions.
Teachers should connect with the real life experience that will help the children to apply in their life.
Making them to bring their own question related to the topic and discuss with their peers and bringing the answer from their peers also.